Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Avolusion external hard drive for the Xbox One. If you're running out of storage space on your console and need a reliable, fast, and portable solution, this 1TB USB 3.0 portable slim external gaming hard drive might just be the perfect fit for you. First off, let's talk about the design. The Avolusion Mini HDD Gear Pro comes in a sleek and ultra-slim black chassis that feels durable in your hands. Its compact size, measuring just 4.5 by 3 by 0.8 inches and weighing under 10 ounces, makes it incredibly portable. Whether you're traveling or just want something that won't clutter your gaming setup, this drive fits right in without any hassle. Performance-wise, this drive features a USB 3.0 interface, offering transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. This means you can expect fast loading times and smooth gameplay when expanding your Xbox One storage. It comes pre-formatted for Xbox, so setup is a breeze. Just plug it into your console's USB 3.0 port, and you're ready to start expanding your game library immediately without needing to format the drive yourself. This drive is compatible with all Xbox One models including the original, S, and X editions, making it a versatile choice regardless of which Xbox One console you own. Plus, since it's USB powered, there's no need for an extra power adapter, reducing cable clutter and making it easier to use anywhere. Inside the box, you get the 1TB external hard drive, a 4-foot USB 3.0 cable, and a quick user guide to help you get started quickly. The drive also comes with a 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind that Avolusion stands behind its product. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable external hard drive that's easy to install, offers fast transfer speeds, and is perfectly compatible with Xbox One consoles, the Avolusion 1TB USB 3.0 portable slim external gaming hard drive is an excellent choice. It combines portability, speed, and convenience into one affordable package that will instantly boost your gaming storage capacity. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.